Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. See, in this video, I will discussing about letter analogy problems. Especially this type of the questions will be asking the competitive exams also. Let's see here. ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಸ್ ದ 1ರಿಂದ 26 ಏನಿದೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ತರ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್, ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಝೆಡ್ ಆರ್ ವೈ ಕ್ಯೂ. ರೈಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕೆ ಸಿ ಜೆ ಬಿ. What is the Z position? That is the 26. What is the K position? The 11. What is the minus 15? Next RC. R is 18. 18. C is 3. 18 minus 3 minus 15. Okay, this is a negative sign there. Next Y and J. What is the Y is 25 and the J is 10. Means minus 15. Right. Similarly Q. What is the Q? It is a 17. 17 or B is 2 minus 15. Right. See, these all the patterns will becomes like that, minus 15 minus 15. Right. See here, now come to the solution. P W O V. See, what is the P position? The P is 16. The 16 plus 15, what happens here? P is a 16 plus 15 after 26. Let's coming to the once again the ABCD. Right. P26 up to means what is the P position is 16. The plus means minus 15, right? Yeah, the pattern is minus 15. Right, minus 15 means that is the B. See here, look it on these options. The B is not there. Right, see here, the first position, the B is not there in the options. So this method is negligible. This method is doing on this problem. ಈ ತರ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, now check the another method. Right, see here, what is the Z position? The 26. What is the R position? 18. What is the Y position? That is a 25. What is the Q position? The 17. Right. See here, what is the 26 to 18? 26 to 18. How much difference is there? The 6 minus 2 minus 8. Similarly, 18 to 25. 18 to 25 plus 7. Next 25 to 17. 5 minus 3 minus 8. Right. Okay, here check it. The answer is check it. What is the kth position? See, the K is 11. What is the C? 3. What is the J? Is a 10. What is the B? Is a 2. What is 11 and 3 position? 11 and 3 position. 11 minus 3, that is the minus 8. What is the 3 and 10? Plus 7. Next 10 and 2 minus 8. Minus 8. See here the pattern, minus 8 plus 7 minus 8. Minus 8 plus 7 minus 8. Right. The first you know about this position, this pattern, then again we'll be check it on these answers. ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, what is the PWOV? What is the P position? The P is a 16. What is the W? 23. What is the O? 15. What is the V? 22. 16 to 23. How much? 4 plus 3 plus 7. 23 to 15. 23 to 15 minus 3 plus 5 minus 8. To 15 to 22. 15 plus 7. See here, the plus 7 minus 8 plus 7. This is the pattern. These patterns will be appearing on this all the options. The any one will be check it. Right. Then again, any two in between will be check it. That answer is okay. What is the G and B? What is the G position? 7. What is the B position? 2. Right. G means 7 is 2. See, this pattern is not matched. It is negligible. What is the I and S? What is the I is 9? The S is how much? S is 19. I is the 9. The S is the 19. This is a 10 is difference. Okay, this also is not possible. E L will be checked. What is the E position? 5. What is the L position? 12. Means what happens here? The E L D K. So what is the E position is 5. What is the L position is 12. See what is this pattern in between? The 5 plus 7. See, there's the first thing is matched. Okay, so that will be another two also will be checked. What is the D position? That is a 4. What is the K position? The 11. What is in between those two? The 12 and 4. What is the negative sign? 2 plus 6 means minus 8 out. Next 4 and 11. See, this also will be matched. Next 4 and 11 will be checked. Means plus 7. 4 plus 6 plus 1. That is the plus 7. Means see here plus 7 minus 8 plus 7. This pattern is matched. Right? See, this is the right answer. Will be checked. See, another one also will be checked. E and O that is not matched on the first pattern. See, the right answer is ELDK. Okay, this type of the problems in a different way will be analyzing on these problems. Right? See, ಈ ತರ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ದಿಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು ತಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್? ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಮೇನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನೀವು ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಅನಾಲಜಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ರೈಟ್? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.